Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do the full head nod led rocking chair. Basically, we're going to rock back and forth, putting our head into our neck into full flexion and full extension as your neck will allow you to move. Don't move into pain, but move where you can't move. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This is a fantastic move for invigorating your body and getting your body ready to move. And it gives you a little bit of energy. But I guess that's what invigorating your body would mean. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab your shins for safety, and you're going to take your eyes and head down towards your chest and rock back, and then eyes and head up towards the ceiling as you rock forward. So it's here and here. And this is it. So when the head and the eyes go down, we rock back, everything's in full flexion, we rock forward, the head and eyes go up, the back does come into a little bit of extension. We're obviously still in extension here, but we're rocking underneath our head, going through a full head nod or full neck flexion and extension, if you will. But that is the rocking chair, and I'm going to do it forward just so you can see my eyes. So eyes go down, eyes go up. And ideally, it's a very smooth rock transition. You don't want to fall like a tree and just smack the floor, because that's a little bit more invigorating than we want. It's actually jarring. But anyway, give this a shot. It is the rocking chair. We're going through full head flexion and extension. Again, just be curious. Don't move into pain, but move where your body will let you move. If you can get the rocking chair going pretty smooth, I think you'll like it because it totally energizes your body, activates your vestibular system, lights up. Your brain just knows all this information going up your spine, and your brain says, oh, that's where everything's at. I like it. So give that a shot. Let me know what you think. The rocking chair with under full head nods. We'll come up with a better name. Right now, it's the rocking chair. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
Oh, one more thing, guys. Remember, Thomas DeLauer is not V-Shred. He is not the V-Shred guy.